Hi, this exercise we're going to show you is called an ice skater, and we're going to be using the 66 Fit double handled medicine ball to perform it. You can perform this exercise without the medicine ball, but putting the medicine ball in there just adds a little bit extra. Got that obviously extra weight, and also as you're going from left to right in the exercise, you have the movement of the ball. It's wanting to pull you over, and you're really having to keep your core and your tummy nice and strong to fight the movement of the ball. What we're having is a left and right movement, which is why it's called an ice skater, in an ice skating style, basically jumping from left to right, actually leaving the ground, landing on one foot, jump back across, land on the other foot. We're taking the ball with us. We're just either touching it down or not quite touching it down as we get to each side. Really make sure you keep your chest up, keep your head up as an ice skater would. Don't get down all hunched up. Keep nice and proud, and powerfully move from side to side. This is really going to get your heart going, and it's really going to get your legs burning. So Steve's just going to show us how to do that. Left to right movements, powerful push. As you can see, he's moving the ball from left to right with him as he jumps, and that ball is going to want to pull him over, so he's having to fight against that ball as it starts to pick up momentum. Now, as you pick the speed up and the frequency of the jumps increases, you're really going to start to feel a burning in your legs. That's completely normal. Now, you can either choose to do this for an allotted period of time, say 30 to 45 seconds, or you can do a number of reps per side. 15 to 20 reps, so you're up in fairly high rep range, is going to have a pretty interesting feeling on your legs. But as you gradually improve the strength and the endurance, you can take the reps up further.